Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial video provided by Blue Swift Axles. My name is Carson Holt, and today we're going to be inspecting a customer's trailer who brought it in and said that there was a large amount of play in his hub. Let's go ahead and get started. So once we've jacked the trailer up, you can really see the play in this. You can hear that when you shake it back and forth. There's that knocking sound, indicating either some bad bearings or a loose castle nut. We'll just have to take the dust cap off and check and advise. Now that we've got the wheel and tire assembly off, we can start taking apart the hub assembly. Right from the get-go, you can see some pretty dirty grease in that grease cap. Now sometimes people think it might be the lug nuts that are loose, but wheel and tire assembly's off, and when you shake this hub, still lots of play in it. And yep, it's a loose castle nut on there. So yeah, check this out. Bring you closer here. As I expected, got a loose castle nut. Pop the clip off, and that's how loose it was. So clearly, when the hub was originally put on and tightened up, it was just threaded on too loosely, and at that point it may have felt tight just because of the grease. So you just got to make sure you tighten it down hard when you put it on, then back it off and tighten it down, and just to make sure you find that snug point. Some people think that when they tighten it up and they just go until it starts getting hard, you actually have to go the rest of the way, because that'll actually snug it up and then back it off. And with how tight it is right now, you can shake it back and forth and hear that play. But even if I just go 1/8 of a turn, it snugs it up all that more to where that play is gone. And even though that was a simple fix, with how the grease looks right now, we're still going to recommend a bearing repack and an inspection of the bearings to the customer. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. I hope you learned something, and if you ever have a loose hub or a loose wheel, just jack it up and inspect it for yourself. Use these tips that we discussed to diagnose the problem, and if it's something as simple as a castle nut, just simply snug it up and check your bearings, make sure everything's still okay, and then you can get back on the road. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this one.